Hey, James Dickerson here with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Premier Property and your key to real estate. Doing an open house today at 5619 Forest Timbers Drive in Atascocita, Texas, 77346. Just want to let you see my setup that I have right here. Let me switch the camera around. Give me just one moment. Got my open house flags right here on the corner. It's a corner lot, saltwater pool, backup generator, Generac generator, I do apologize. We're gonna go into the front door, see my little setup here I have. And they're asking if you come in, feel free to fill out the registry and say you like the home. I got a seller's disclosure here for you. Got some numbers here for you, so if you wish to buy the home, you could what kind of loan, VA, conventional, or FHA. On around here, this is for my drawing today to give away 2 Houston Astros tickets for July 4th right here. Plus there's other information on here as well. A lot of people think they cannot buy a home, but there's a lot of programs out there for you so you can buy a home. I got a little pamphlet here, renting versus buying. Got your home seller's guide right here, your home buyer's guide here. If you're moving in with kids, we got a guide for you right here as well. Also, we got for pets checklist. And like I said, your key to real estate, this is me right here. You come in and get one of those right there. And we got a few snacks for you. I got drinks in the cooler. Be careful with the snacks. Some of these right here has peanuts in it. So I just have to have that disclosure right there. So be careful with that. And again, we're at 5619 Forest Timbers Drive, Atascocita, Texas, 77346. Come on by today between 3 and 5, and tomorrow between 3 and 5, and register to win the 2 tickets to Houston Astros. They're playing the Colorado Rockies. Talk to you all soon. You have a great day.